Who doesn't fantasize about having long, soft, fluttery eyelashes? To get that dreamy look, many people spend money on costly beauty products, high-end mascaras, or artificial lashes. Some even choose to get eyelash extensions done. But before you end up spending a lot of money, why not give these affordable and effective methods a try? They can help make your eyelashes thick, strong, and beautiful in just 1 month. Number 1. Combing. A simple habit like brushing your eyelashes can greatly improve their overall condition. When you comb your lashes, blood circulation increases in that area. This boosts the follicles, encouraging your eyelashes to grow longer and stronger. Additionally, brushing helps remove dirt, dust, and tiny particles that collect on your lashes throughout the day. To do this, you can purchase a special eyebrow brush or reuse an old mascara wand that has been thoroughly cleaned. For even better results, apply a few drops of vitamin E to the brush. Gently brush your eyelashes for about 5 minutes, twice daily. Always start at the roots and slowly move the brush toward the tips of your lashes. Number 2. Natural essential oils. Natural oils such as coconut, olive, almond, argan, jojoba, castor, and others are packed with nourishing fatty acids. They feed the eyelash follicles and help keep them healthy and strong. On top of that, essential oils are full of antioxidants, which are essential for faster lash growth. Let's look at how you can prepare a simple, budget-friendly eyelash treatment at home. You'll need a few drops of castor oil, olive oil, or any other oil mentioned earlier. Mix it with 1 drop of rosemary, lavender, grapeseed, or tea tree oil. Use a clean eyebrow brush, a mascara wand, or even your fingertip. Apply the oil mixture to your eyelashes before going to bed and leave it on overnight. For best results, repeat this process every evening. Number 3. Petroleum jelly. If you don't have essential oils available, petroleum jelly, also known as Vaseline, can work just as well. It helps moisturize dry, fragile lashes and prevents breakage. Regular use can make your eyelashes appear thicker and longer over time. Plus, applying petroleum jelly also hydrates your eyelids, keeping the skin soft and smooth. However, it's very important to apply it correctly. First, load a generous amount of petroleum jelly onto your brush and gently coat your upper lashes. Be extremely careful not to let any of it get into your eyes. After that, spread any remaining jelly over your eyelids. If you have sensitive skin, test a small amount on the back of your hand beforehand to avoid irritation. Once you're done with your upper lashes, dip the brush again and apply it to your lower lashes. Doing this every night before bed helps keep your lashes moisturized, preventing early fallout or breakage. Number 4. A healthy and balanced diet. If you starve your body or eat too much junk food, your eyelashes will suffer. Vitamin deficiencies often lead to hair loss and weak, brittle lashes. That's why you should include more protein-rich foods in your meals. Examples include lean meat, poultry, eggs, cheese, milk, and fish. Healthy fats are also essential for lash health. You can find them in seeds, almonds, avocados, and olive oil. Eat plenty of leafy greens such as kale, cauliflower, peas, broccoli, tomatoes, and Brussels sprouts. Don't forget fruits, as they're loaded with vitamins. Focus on guavas, citrus fruits, apples, blueberries, strawberries, and cranberries. Number 5. Green tea. Green tea is packed with antioxidants and vitamins. These compounds promote eyelash growth and help lashes become thicker and longer. That's why green tea is commonly used in hair loss treatments and cosmetic products. Despite its powerful benefits, making a green tea lash treatment is very easy. Brew a cup of green tea and allow it to cool completely. Use a cotton pad to apply the tea to your eyelashes. You can do this once or twice a day. If applied in the evening, you may leave it on overnight. Store any leftover tea in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It can be used for up to 3 or 4 days. Number 6. Aloe vera. Both aloe vera juice and pulp are excellent for nourishing hair. If it works for your hair, it can definitely benefit your eyelashes too. To prepare an aloe treatment, take a fresh aloe leaf and squeeze out a few drops of juice. Apply it to your lashes using a brush or your fingertips and leave it on overnight. In the morning, rinse it off thoroughly. For a stronger treatment, mix 1 tablespoon of aloe vera juice with 1 tablespoon of olive oil or castor oil. Apply the mixture with a clean mascara wand. Leave it on for 15 minutes, then rinse with cool or lukewarm water. It's best to repeat this treatment twice daily. Number 7. Massage. Massaging is a simple yet powerful way to boost eyelash nutrition and growth. Start by washing your hands thoroughly with soap. Place a few drops of coconut or olive oil onto your fingertips and allow it to warm slightly. Gently massage your eyelids and eyelashes for 3 to 5 minutes. Avoid pulling on your lashes or applying too much pressure. Try to do this massage at least twice a week. Do you know any other ways to enhance eyelash beauty? Share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with friends who struggle with eyelash issues, and subscribe to the channel for more useful and powerful remedies.